Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best tools and accessories on the market. Today, we're showcasing the best EcoPaw Hedge trimmer attachment, a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their lawn care game. Whether you're a professional landscaper or a weekend warrior, this attachment brings the power and precision you need for those tough trimming tasks. When you first look at this attachment, it's clear that quality and durability are a priority. Designed specifically for the EcoPaw 225 and Paw 2620 brush cutter, the 99,944,200,596 attachment delivers a cutting experience that's both smooth and efficient. The sturdy build ensures that you can handle even the most challenging hedges and shrubs without worrying about wear and tear. The straight shaft design allows for greater reach and control, so you're not straining your arms to get to those hard-to-reach places. One of the most impressive features of this trimmer is its versatility. The EcoPaw series is known for being compatible with a wide range of attachments. But this Hedge trimmer really stands out due to its sharp, precise cutting blades and its ability to handle dense foliage with ease. It's ideal for trimming both small bushes and larger, thicker hedges. No matter the size of the job, this attachment helps you get it done quickly and effectively. The trimmer is lightweight, weighing only 5.2 pounds, which means you won't tire out after a few hours of trimming. It's also easy to attach and detach, making it incredibly convenient for those who have multiple attachments and need to switch between them. This quick adaptability is perfect for getting the job done in less time, which is always a plus when it comes to outdoor power tools. Another notable feature is the well-crafted metal blade, which ensures clean, efficient cuts every time. Whether you're trimming a row of neatly manicured bushes or tackling overgrown shrubs, this attachment keeps your work looking professional. The 16-inch cutting width allows you to cover a lot of ground in a short period, making this an efficient choice for larger yards. While there are plenty of attachments out there, this one is a game-changer due to its compatibility with the EcoPaw 225 and Paw 2620 systems, both of which are highly respected in the industry. If you're already a fan of the Eco brand, this attachment will feel like a natural addition to your toolkit. So, whether you're looking to keep your garden looking sharp, or you need a tool that's built to handle professional-level trimming, the EcoPaw Hedge trimmer attachment is a reliable and effective choice. It's an easy way to elevate your lawn care experience and take on any trimming challenge with confidence. Make sure to grab yours today and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Stay tuned for more reviews and insights on the best products out there.